You need to hear this if you're a taco fan. Today, let's make chicken crispy tacos with a cheesy twist. First, grab some chicken breasts and season them with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Cook them in a hot skillet until they're golden brown and juicy. Now shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, heat up your taco shells until they're nice and crispy. Time to fill them up. Add the shredded chicken, a generous sprinkle of cheddar cheese, and a handful of fresh lettuce. Don't forget the heart-healthy toppings. Chop up some tomatoes, avocados, and throw in a few black beans. Feeling adventurous? Add a dollop of Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. It's creamy and good for your heart. Now for the best part, more cheese. Sprinkle some extra cheese on top and pop those tacos in the oven for a few minutes until the cheese is melty and bubbly. And there you have it. Delicious, crispy chicken tacos with all the cheesy goodness and heart-healthy ingredients. Enjoy your feast, taco lovers!